Hello, this is Jason Payne for Cole Banker D and Harper Realtors. Today we're at the subdivision of Steubing Farms, and our feature builder is MERITAGE Homes. Let's check it out. All right, this is the Guadalupe model. It is 2,464 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath. It is a 1.5 story. The selling point of this house is its location. From the front door to USAA, it takes approximately 10 minutes. So finding new construction with that proximity to USAA is really difficult. Believe me, I've been working on it. But let's check out the inside of this really nice home. All right, well, the first thing you notice is a really tall, beautiful door. And it does come with a Ring doorbell for that camera security. Right when you come in, you do have an office with French doors. This bedroom would be great for if you have a long-term guest. They have easy access to their own bathroom, and you wouldn't have to give up your office. This opens up to this would be your primary living space, your living room. You can see it is already pre-wired for flat screen TV. Now, MERITAGE is known for their insulation that they put in their house, so you're going to have a very low utility bill. They use a spray foam insulation in it. Your formal dining room. Now, if you did choose to go with a MERITAGE home in this subdivision and use their preferred lender, MERITAGE will pay $7,500 of your closing cost. This big bar area, you could really host some nice meals, events going on here. This is a gas community. It does have a downstairs owner's suite. This house is still on its finishing stages, so you see blue tape over. The construction workers still need to come in and do some final prep. Big, beautiful shower with a nice ledge that you can sit on. Soaking tub. Your utility closet for a washer and dryer. And a little bonus space if you wanted to set up a little office or something right here. Has an oversized covered patio with a backs up to a green space back behind you. Builder's grade lights there, but it's easy enough to hang a outdoor rated fan if you want to. All right, this is a 1.5 story. So they've got the stairs kind of tucked away. But as you come upstairs, a nice big bonus area here. Do whatever you want up here. Once again, pre-wired for flat screen TV there on the wall. Does have another full bath upstairs. And another good sized bedroom. This is where the third bedroom's at. This house is currently listed at $369,200 as of, I think today is 22nd February 2020. All right, well, if you want more information on this Meritage Homes and Steubing Farms, make sure you give me a call. My phone number is listed below, or look me up online. My website is jasonpayne.cbharbor.com, or look for more videos like this. Just type in hashtag Jason Payne Realtor on YouTube, then you can see more videos. All right, thank you and have a great day. Take care now.